Before buying an espresso machine, there's one thing no product page will tell you. Most machines look great online, but the real difference shows up after weeks of use, when cleaning, consistency, and daily frustration kick in. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the ones that actually hold up. Product number 1: Adatix Compact Espresso Maker. Let's start with the Adatix Espresso Machine, a compact, budget-friendly option at around $157. Right off the bat, the stainless steel finish and small footprint make it look like it belongs on a modern kitchen counter. If you want an affordable entry point into espresso without sacrificing basic functionality, this is worth a serious look. This machine delivers 20 bar pressure, which is the sweet spot for pulling a proper shot, and it uses NTC temperature control to keep water between 90–96 degrees C. That's the range where coffee extracts best without burning. The 44-ounce water tank is removable, so refilling is easy, and the steam wand creates dense microfoam in seconds, not weak bubbles. You can manually adjust extraction time up to 102 seconds, which gives you control over strength, or use auto mode for quick single or double shots. It even comes with a tamper, scoop, and portafilter, everything you need to start. Now, some people complained about inconsistent temperature during back-to-back shots. Here's the thing though, this isn't a commercial machine. It's designed for 1 or 2 drinks at a time. If you're making lattes for the whole family every morning, it might struggle. But for a couple of cups a day, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're new to espresso and don't want to drop $800 on your first machine. Skip this one if you need high-volume brewing or fully automated grinding. For under $160, it's a solid value, just don't expect pro-level consistency. Product number 2: Breville Barista Express. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if you're ready to level up, the Breville Barista Express at $880 is where things get serious. This isn't just an espresso machine, it's a full coffee station with a built-in conical burr grinder. If you want cafe-quality espresso at home with full control over every step, this is the machine to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The integrated grinder lets you go from whole beans to espresso in under a minute. The dose control system grinds exactly what you need directly into the portafilter. No waste, no stale pre-ground coffee. The PID temperature control keeps WATER Chinese letter at the right temp, and the low-pressure pre-infusion gently saturates the grounds before full pressure kicks in. Plus, the steam wand gives you manual control over microfoam, perfect for latte art. Now, some people said the learning curve is steep, and they're right, this isn't plug-and-play. You'll need to dial in grind size, tamp pressure, and shot timing, but that's the point. This machine rewards practice. If you're not willing to learn, it'll frustrate you, but if you enjoy the process, it's incredibly satisfying. This is perfect for you if you're serious about coffee and want to master espresso at home. Skip this one if you want something fully automatic or hate cleaning grinders. For the price, it's one of the best all-in-one setups out there. Product number 3: Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1. Now, if Breville's manual control feels too hands-on, the Ninja Luxe Cafe at $760 offers a smarter, more guided approach. This 3-in-1 machine does espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, all with an integrated grinder and hands-free frother. If you want versatility without sacrificing quality, this one's a standout. Barista Assist technology is the real game changer here. It recommends grind size, uses weight-based dosing with a built-in scale, and adjusts temperature and pressure in real time. So even if you're new, you're guided toward balanced flavor. The conical burr grinder has 25 settings, and the dual froth system steams and whisks milk at the same time, no guesswork, just smooth microfoam. You can make a double or quad shot espresso, classic or iced drip coffee, and even cold-pressed espresso for cocktails. Now, some users mention the drip coffee function isn't as strong as a dedicated brewer. Here's the thing, it's not meant to replace your pour-over setup, it's for convenience. If you want one machine that handles your morning espresso and afternoon iced coffee, it does both well. But if drip is your main focus, go dedicated. This is perfect for you if you drink multiple coffee styles and hate clutter. Skip this one if you only want espresso and don't care about drip or cold brew. For the features, it's a great middle ground between automation and quality. Product number 4, Ninja Luxe Café Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious home baristas, the Ninja Luxe Café Pro at $951. This is the upgraded version with more power, more options, and even smarter tech. If you want the most advanced home setup without going full commercial, this is it. This machine does 4 things: espresso, drip, cold brew, and independent hot water. Yes, hot water on demand for Americanos or tea. It has 5 espresso styles including ristretto and lungo, and the Barista Assist system now adapts grind recommendations based on your previous brew. The integrated tamper pushes down grounds evenly with one lever, no mess, no uneven pucks. The Dual Froth System Pro includes an XL milk jug and 5 froth settings, so you can make 2 drinks at once. Now, some people said it takes up a lot of counter space. And they're not wrong, it's bigger than the regular Luxe Cafe. But that's because it packs in more features. If you have the room, it's worth it. The built-in storage for tamper, funnel, and brushes is a nice touch too. This is perfect for you if you want maximum flexibility and don't mind the size. Skip this one if you're tight on space or only drink espresso. For the price, it's the most complete home system Ninja offers. Product number 5, Gevi Commercial Style Maker. Finally, the Gevi Espresso machine at $161, another budget contender, but with some surprising upgrades. It looks and feels more premium than the Adatix, with a full stainless steel body and built-in pressure gauge. If you want commercial-style looks and features without the commercial price, this one's a sleeper hit. The 20-bar pump and NTC temperature control ensure consistent extraction, and the pre-infusion feature gently wets the grounds before full pressure, just like pro machines. The pressure gauge lets you monitor extraction in real time, which is rare at this price. The steam wand is powerful and easy to clean, and the hot water function is great for Americanos or warming cups. It even has auto shutoff and a removable drip tray for easy cleaning. Now, some users reported the portafilter feels a bit lightweight. Here's the thing, it's not going to feel as solid as a $1,000 machine, but for the price, the build is impressive, and the 12-month warranty with lifetime support helps ease concerns. This is perfect for you if you want more control and feedback than basic models offer, but still need to stay under $200. Skip this one if you want a built-in grinder. For under $165, it's one of the best value machines with pro-like features. So which one should you get? The Adatix and Gevi are great budget picks. Gevi edges ahead with the pressure gauge and build. Breville is the best for hands-on control and learning the craft. Ninja's Luxe Cafe is ideal for versatility, and the Pro version is the ultimate all-in-one if you have the space and budget. There's no single best, only the best for your lifestyle. Let me know which one you're leaning toward down below.